kong sinasabi, sinong 46 o 47 na ako ang pinagkakatiwalaan ko ng mga big brands like Tycel, Bench, diba? So, I'm really very grateful and grateful for that trust given to me.
Miss Shine, did you ever feel insecure about aging?
Aging, no. Maraming natatakot na mag-age, pero ako, ang goal ko lang talaga is to age gracefully. Yan lang talaga.
So hindi mo tinatago yung edad? Never ka nag-showbiz age?
Hindi.
Di ba dati sinasabi nila, I'm just 25, pero 30, never mo ginawa yun?
No. Ang akala lang nila before, hindi naging question yung age ko. Yung pangalan ko, akala nila, fake yung name ko na Sunshine. Bakit no Sunshine? Yun, pero sa age never. I've always been proud of my age. Kaya nga minsan, diba sa online, alam naman natin, tanda mo na, sabi ko nga, it's a blessing. Aging is a blessing, hindi lahat umaabot ng 46 o magpo-47 na healthy pa rin. Siyempre, it's a blessing to age. Kasi nakakasama pa natin at makakasama natin ang mas matagal na panahon ng ating mga
Sa flawless mo na yan, sinasabihan ka ba na ang tanda mo na?
Oo naman,
Sa online?
Oo, Lola. Tanda mo na. Ganito ka na. But it doesn't matter, it doesn't affect me.
How do you deal with that?
Minsan, pag bored ako, nagjo-joke na lang ako. Or minsan, dead ma. Gano'n na lang.
But you know how beautiful you are, di ba? I mean,
I don't...
wow! Bigla pa!
No, hindi. Sa totoo lang, flattered ako when people say that.
But you
Pero,
are.
thank you.
Never ka nagpa-stem cell? O therapy lang? Yung kwento mo kanina.
Once a year. Pero ngayon, 2 years nang wala.
Grabe.
Kasi masyado ng parang okay na.
Okay. Yeah.
Baka matira na lang ipin ko eh.
Oh, actually, ang ganda nga lang yung face mo. How are your kids? How are your kids? Hello ka na lang daw. How are your kids?
My kids are okay. Si Angelina, nasa last year na siya ng college sa Lasal. Dean's Lister First Honors. Si Sam naman, first year siya sa college. Dean's Lister Second Honors. And si Cheska naman, tapos na siya ng senior high niya. Nag-entrance exam sa Ateneo. And she got in.
Uy, congrats! Ano course?
Something about management. Medyo hindi ko
Bakit sabi mo mami mismo magdo-dorm siya?
Dorm kasi ang layo, taga-south kami. Oo, so mamimiss ko yung bunso ko pa yung magdo-dorm. Eh, bukas titignan namin yung dorm niya.
So ikaw, solo ka na lang ba sa bahay?
Hindi, kasama ko rin si Angelina. Kasama ko naman yung mga bata. Si Cheska lang yung medyo may ikiwalay sa akin.
So far from empty nester ka? Far from being an empty nester?
Oo naman. Oo, with my 7 dogs, with my kids around, my friends and family.
7 dogs, 3 kids, how's your day life?
Happy. Diba? Pag kasama mo sila, yung mga anak ko, alam naman natin pag babae, maiingay. Diba? Masaya lang kami sa bahay. Netflix, nanonood ng movies, nagluluto, pinukulit yung mga aso, papasok sila lahat sa kwarto. So, minsan ako pa nga yung kasi gusto ko tahimik na. Alam na natin, pag medyo nag-ibig na, ayaw na natin maingay. So, sinasabi ko minsan, anak, sige na, matutulog na si mami. Ang iingay ninyo masyado. Ganun. Meron akong na yung bag ko, nandun sa kanya. Makikita ninyo, I have a makeup pouch. Of course, I have nandiyan din ang aking Tycel kasi on the go talaga. Ang Tycel, what's nice about it is anywhere, anytime, you can take it kasi nga it's in lozenge form. So nasa bag ko rin yun, and I have my cologne, and I have wet wipes. So very simple. I think lahat ng babae, kung ano yung nasa bag ko, meron din yung iba. Okay, yan nila ako. Yeah, so nakikita nila kasi kahit nung bata pa sila, I take care of my skin and they would imitate me. So, pag meron silang mga blemishes, of course, I tell them to do something about it. Yun lang. Kasi syempre, puro kami kikay, puro babae talaga. And I think it's an advantage na ang mommy nila medyo kikay din. So, of course, as a mom, ayaw mo makita na ang mga anak mo medyo napapabayaan din ang skin. So, I tell them what to do. I take care of them. Open naman ako na Cathy Valencia. I'm also an endorser of Cathy Valencia. So once in a while, I do facials. Actually, before Ontera, may ganun ako, may mga ganun akong ginagawa once a year. Facials only. Pero very, very simple ang skincare ko. I remove my makeup. I don't sleep with makeup on. And just a moisturizer, eye cream. Of course, when you turn 40, actually 30 pa lang ako, nag-eye cream na ako. Kasi doon mo makikita talaga pag nag-age sa eyes. And what else? Drink lots of water. Water talaga. Lagi akong meron dalang water. And sleep. Sleep talaga. Kasi kahit anong skincare ang gawin natin, if you lack sleep, then makikita talaga sa skin natin. Okay. Hindi naman masyado. No, but kidding aside, I love to sleep. Introvert kasi ako, so I'd rather stay at home with my kids, sleep, and I stay away from negativity and dramas. Ayoko ng drama. So, positive lang. Positive ang outlook sa life. Always be grateful for what you have. And kung ano yung wala, always just focus on what you have. And of course, aside from Thiocel, I work out. I work out 3 to 4 times a week. I used to box. Nagbaboxing ako eh. Pero ngayon, iba naman. So, soon, in a few months, you'll see a version 2.0 na sunshine naman. So, I'm working on myself. Yun lang. So, self-love. Kailangan lang mahalin ang sarili. Yun ang sinasabi ko even before. If you expect a person or people to love you, you have to love yourself first. Diba? So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon. To stay healthy, fit, not just for myself, but for my family. Ayun. Nasabi ko na yung secret ko na. Yeah. Diba? Kasi yun ang iniisip ng mga tao na, gluta, nagpapabuti lang. Yes, of course. Isa yan sa best na whitening supplements, ang glutathione. But for me, of course, bilang artista, kailangan may glow ang skin. And it also serves as an anti-aging product. So, it really helps me kasi, syempre, pag artista tayo, exposed sa sun, nagiging dull ang skin, nag-age ang skin, but with Thiocel, I observed na since, ever since na nagtitake ako ng Thiocel, it really improved my skin, mas nag-glow, and I think nakita niyo yun nung nag-ramp ako for bench. I have been taking Thiocel and I think nandun yung glow talaga. So I'm really grateful to Thiocel for the trust and nakakatuwa na to endorse something, a product that you really believe in. So I really believe in Thiocel. It's really effective.
I don't know who can answer this, but can you tell us what's the if you compare whatever's in a lozenge and for something to be taken orally instead of intravenous or on a capsule form, what's the difference?
Can I answer it?
Yes, of course, sir.
Basically, any tablet or capsule, whatever we ingest, it has to pass on 3 barriers in the stomach, the mucosal wall, and the intestines as such. So by the time it passes all these 3, very less quantity of gluta is being absorbed. With the invention of our technology of the delivery system in the form of a lozenge, all the gluta, whatever we have in Thiocel, is absorbed in your oral cavity because our oral cavity has high levels and large amounts of blood vessels. So it goes straight into the blood without going inside the digestive system. So that is where the difference between Thiocel and any other gluta available in the world. And that's the reason why the absorption is also so good, comparable with IV gluta with Thiocel. That is a major difference.
Do we have data on the particular time that you would notice the actual effects of Thiocel?
It has been seen through a maximeter reading. Maximeter is a device which will measure the number of cells of melanoma in your body at a particular spot. So we will take the measurements on an open skin and even on a covered skin. So the moment you start taking this from 0 to 14 days, there was a significant reduction of melanin levels in the body. So for a naked eye, at least minimum of 2 months, we need to use it to see the naked eye. But whereas technically, for a dermatologist point of view, you can see the reduction in melanin as early as 2 weeks, which has been demonstrated in our clinical trials.
Sir, well, my understanding of glutathione is that the side effects is actually just the whitening part. Is that correct?
Actually, that was a wrong illusion of many of the people. In fact, in the science, it has been proved it not only reduces the melanin levels in the body, because the moment you reduce the melanin levels, automatically the skin becomes lighter. So it is not a side effect as most of the people who had been there in the industry, they were not talking science. They were not having proper authentic claims to make because they did not do any of the clinical studies. Whereas Thiocel is the only brand in the world which has been tested clinically to show the outcomes, and it has been published already in a major international journal worldwide. So that shows how effective and safe Thiocel is all about.
Okay. How big is like the consumption of Thiocel in the Philippines? Are there, do we have like how many customers that have tried it, or?
We have almost hundreds and thousands of customers who had been strongly associated with the brand Thiocel since the day of its inception. But if you ask me the number, it's company's secret, which we cannot reveal the volumes.
All right. And currently it's available on leading.
It's available on stores in Watsons, Mercury, and even in Rose Pharmacy, and even in online platforms.
And this is over the counter.
Yes, and in fact, I am pleased to let you all know that Thiocel had been adjudged as the best performing launch of the year by Watsons. Way back the day we launched, it was the highest, biggest brand in terms of the volumes for us. And probably the team Watsons can vouch for it.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thiocel lozenge for about 3 months. 3 months now. And alam naman natin na pag artista, exposed sa sun, exposed sa sunshine. Ayan, exposed sa sun and light, no? Pag nagtitipid tayo, even indoors. Hello.
To go to, but thank you for coming. I know it's also very hot outside, and so actually the sun is one of the most, shall we say, common. I'm sorry. With this, okay. Being a tropical country, we suffer from sun exposure a lot. Some of the most common skincare problems of Filipinos stem from overexposure to the sun. Them being skin darkening and photo-aging. That's why if you look at most beauty and wellness shops, they sell a lot of anti-aging and whitening products to combat the bad effects of the sun. Okay? But most of these products, they are either superficial or very minimal effect on your skin. It doesn't last that long. Main issue is the issue of absorption. Okay? But Thiocel has long overcome these obstacles because it is unique in its form as a lozenge. It gets absorbed faster, so the effects are almost the same as when you take IV glutathione. So it's a lot faster, you get whiter, you get smoother, and you get younger looking skin. Okay? When we thought of launching the #AgelessGlow campaign, we only thought of Miss Sunshine Cruz because as we well know, para siyang vampire, para siyang vampira. Look at her, diba? Parang I met her 10 years ago and I would say na parang mas bumata pa siya ngayon than 10 years ago. Okay? You know I love you. Okay? So, without further ado, I'd like to show you a short clip which basically explains our campaign.
Achieve ageless glow with Thiosil. After all, age is just a number, but your glow is forever.
At this point in time, I'd like to call on Ms. Sunshine to share.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I'd like to greet Sir Bernard a happy birthday. Birthday, Sir Bernard. And of course, it's nice to be with Sir Ramesh again in Rome. I'd like to thank, of course, Brady Pharma family for the trust. And I'm really grateful. Rome, thank you. Maraming salamat. And maraming salamat sa inyo sa oras to be with us today. Good afternoon, everyone.
So at this point, may we call on Sir Ramesh for his opening remarks.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to have you all around on this eventful afternoon where we are going to start the campaign of Thiosil. Probably most of you may not be aware of what Brady Pharma is all about. Brady Pharma had been in the business of distribution of the skincare brand along with other segments like anesthesia, dermatology, ophthalmology and critical care products for the last 15 years here in the Philippines. We represent brands coming from Australia, US, and we have in-house brands. Something similar like Thiosil is our own brand, manufactured, conceptualized in US by a leading gastroenterologist who has a complete technology, science which is very unique, unlike other brands what you have in the market. The basic difference of Thiosil when compared to other brands of glutathione in the market is that the speciality of the delivery system which makes it totally different. That's the reason why it is as good as a patient or a person getting an intravenous injection. So it is comparable or equal efficacy when it comes over the other brands which are either tablets or capsules. This is the difference. And there is a lot of science also. Thiosil has underwent a very vigorous safety and efficacy clinical trials here in Philippines in leading institutions like St. Luke's Global as well as in RITM and Asian Hospital. So in fact, it was introduced almost close to around 7+ years through the dermatologists, and afterwards we moved the brand Thiosil to the OTC media. And it's now our pleasure to have Sunshine Cruz being our endorser for Thiosil. And I believe she has tried Thiosil on her own, and that is where the confidence is all coming out. Thank you very much for joining us today. Looking forward for your valuable support in the future events too. Salamat po.